Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a different type of video. I am going to be unboxing and giving you my opinion of the Take Care of company vitamin services. It's a vitamin subscription service. This is my third month using it, and I really wanted to, after using it for a couple of months, just give my opinion, share what kind of supplements that I personally take, and talk a little bit about the Take Care of company. So I'm going to open my box, and inside every box you get a little card. Mine says made for Dessly, which is my name. And the packaging is really awesome. And then inside the box, pull this out and put the orange box on the floor, you have your box of supplements. And they come in individual packs. They are personalized with your name on them. They have like a little, it can be, like this one says, unscramble the word, hint, aim for the bullseye. It has like little riddles or facts or something on there. And then if you turn it over, these are my vitamins. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an insight of what I take. And on the back side of the box, always is your pack, as well as any information that comes with it. I think that's it. The box is really super cute this month, guys. I had snowflakes all over it last month, and it was blue and red, white snowflakes, so it's really cute. I take a 6 supplements a day. You want to go to takecareof.com, and there is a little quiz that you can take about yourself, like your nutritional needs, your lifestyle, that kind of thing, your eating habits, and based on that, the Take Care of will recommend your supplements. So I've been recommended 6 supplements that I take daily, and I take a probiotic blend, fish oil, vitamin D, because I live in the north and we don't have a lot of sun this time of year, and a lot of people are deficient in vitamin D, and I happen to be one of those people, so I take vitamin D. And then I take a couple of herbal supplements. One is called ashwagandha, another one is called rhodiola, and the last one, I always have a hard time pronouncing this, is astaxanthin, I think. I will read to you what each of them are. Obviously, the probiotic is good for immunity. It's also good for prenatal and digestive health. They have emerging research that says, and I'm reading from my phone just in case you guys wonder why I'm looking down. It says probiotics have grown in popularity in recent years in supplement form and in the form of foods and beverages like yogurt and kefir. Clinical studies on probiotics are still emerging, as recent years have provided evidence of the benefits of probiotics. This good bacteria has been studied most extensively for digestive and immune system health. I personally have noticed taking the probiotic for almost 3 months now that my digestive health has been a lot better. It's greatly improved. So I would definitely recommend everybody taking a probiotic. Fish oil. This was recommended to me because I hate seafood. I don't eat fish. It's I find it disgusting. I had food poisoning as a little kid from a restaurant. I got fish and I was really sick, and that scarred me for life. So I don't eat seafood. So fish oil they call the heart helper. Um, it's good for brain function, eyes, heart function, joints, and prenatal. Um, it has strong research. The benefits of omega 3 fatty acids, EPA, and DHA, which are found in fish oil, have been supported by repeated double blind clinical trials. In 2004, the FDA announced qualified health claims for omega 3 fatty acids, noting supportive but not conclusive research that shows that consuming EPA and DHA omega 3 fatty acids may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Our fish oil includes 200 milligrams of omega 3 fatty acids. And what I like about Care of is as you scroll down for each supplement, it'll give you like an informational page for each supplement. It tells you where they get their fish oil. It's cold pressed from Alaska. And it says our fish oil is produced from a cold press extraction method similar to the process used in producing olive oil. By avoiding the use of high heat, we are able to better preserve the naturally occurring nutrients to deliver all 8 essential fatty acids along with vitamins A, D, and E. Our fish oil is made and tested in the United States, which is awesome. The next one on my list is vitamin D, and it supports bone health, obviously. And they give different like categories, like emergent research, beginning research, strong research, very strong research, and vitamin D is the very strong research category. Can't talk today. It's essential for general health and for strong bones. Deficiency is rare but has serious health consequences. They ferment their vitamin D with probiotics in organic foods for absorption. So, yeah, that's where they get the vitamin D. Next on my list is the ashwagandha extract. And this one is called the chill pill. It's good for brain health and managing stress. It's emerging research and traditionally used. In the Indian practice of, I'm going to butcher this, Ayurveda, ashwagandha has been celebrated for centuries for its therapeutic qualities. More recently, in several research studies, including one with 64 participants, it's been shown to impact stress and physical endurance in conjunction with exercise. While it is not commonly used in Western medicine, and larger scale studies are needed to prove clinical efficiency, ashwagandha's appeal is in the increasingly hectic world is clear. It helps to reduce food cravings. It helps to relieve occasional stress and support strength and endurance. They farm it in India and it is tested in the United States. Non-GMO, vegetarian and gluten-free. All of their supplements are non-GMO, vegetarian, and gluten-free, just in case anybody was curious. The next one is the rhodiola. And this one is called the cosmonaut. It's good for brain health, energy, and stress. It's a herb that helps the body adapt to stress in a healthy way, and it's harvested from a flowering plant in the Altai Mountains of Siberia in Russia. It's emerging research and traditionally used. It helps promote stamina under prolonged stress. It promotes mental focus and energy. focus, supports stress and mood, supports endurance and recovery after exercise. So that's awesome. And the last one I take, astaxanthin. Not sure how to pronounce that. It's called the Coral King. It's good for brain health, heart health, and for your skin. It's a powerful antioxidant that gives salmon and shrimp their coral color. It's the purest, their version of it is the purest natural form extracted from cultivated marine microalgae. It is harvested from phototropic Himalayan water-fed algae, naturally rich in this antioxidant. And it's backed by strong research. It supports healthy skin, supports athletic performance, supports heart health, and supports cognitive brain function. So those are the supplements that I take daily, and it's really easy. I just take them right in the morning when I get up. I just, grab my supplement pack. It tears. It has a little tear here. Now, if you are on supplements that are high in iron, they do put them in like child-proof packs to where you actually have to cut them open. You can't rip them open, which is what I've learned. They also have an app that I believe is available for both iOS and Android users. And it's just, I'll show you right there. Woo. Gotta move my phone. There we go. The Care of app. And if you go in, it will, you just tap this in the morning when you take your vitamin and it'll count up and you get rewards. The rewards include 1 free pack in the next month, 2 free packs in the next month, a free bonus vitamin, and they'll contact you and recommend some supplements for you, and you get to choose. When I had my bonus, I did elderberry, which is for immunity, and it was good. I mean, it seemed to work really well, but the capsule was a little large for me, and sometimes it was hard swallowing, so I decided not to re-up it again this month. Then you have 3 free packs. You get to gift a buddy $25, 5 free packs, 5 free packs, and then 7 free packs, and then you can gift a buddy $50, and then you get 14 free packs. And they're also going to be starting, I believe it's like the 21st of January. If you sign up for the subscription service and you have the app and you log, I believe, 21 to 30 days in a row, somewhere in that area, they're going to be giving away an iPhone X. They're going to be giving away other prizes. I think it's pretty cool. And I'm going to go on their Instagram really quick because I did contact them to see if I could get a discount code for you guys. So I'm still waiting to hear back from them. But if I do get one, you'll see it in the description box below. But I will link the website and how to get the app and all that good stuff. I don't think they have any specials running right now. No, it doesn't look like they do. Because sometimes if you look on their Instagram, they post codes that you can use for specials. Like I discovered Take Care of, I had been looking at it for a while, but then I watched Christopher Allen's review about it, and I will link his channel down below. You should check him out. He's awesome. But I watched his review video after using the supplements for a few months, and he actually heard from the company and was given a 50% off discount code for his subscribers. So that's how I tried my first month. Normally, the pack that I take runs $54 a month, but I was able to get it for $27 for the first month. And this last month, I paid 27 because of all the rewards that I had. But I believe that they start at as little as like $20 a month for a subscription, depending on what kind of supplements you want. And you don't have to like go with their recommendations. They do have like a listing of all the supplements that they offer and what they do, and what's in them, what you can use them for, and you can kind of tailor make your own pack. But I just chose to go with the recommendations because it's been working really well for me. As far as the customer service, they get two thumbs up from me because their customer service is absolutely amazing. I've never waited very long for them to reply to an email. Anything that I've had questions on, they've always answered promptly. Um, they're very helpful when it comes to making suggestions. So they're really an awesome like customer service based company, and I would highly, highly recommend trying them. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up so I know that you'd like to see more kind of content like this. And subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, see you later.